So if you have any questions about the map, this is your last opportunity to sort of ask them in class. I do want to go over how you're going to submit it. If you're gonna take a picture of it, you need to be very careful that it is a super steady-handed, not a live photo, great quality picture. If you have an iPhone, the easiest way to do that is just to go into your notes, like start a new note, and then down at the bottom middle of a new note, there should be, like you can see there, the little photo camera thing. And when you hit that, it asks you, do you want to scan a document? And you just do that, and it'll lead you through the process of scanning a document, which is really nice and easy. And it'll let you like draw in the corners, and it makes sure that everything is like, you know, focused and flat. So that'll be the best way to turn that in, and make sure that I can like really see your work, because you've probably put a bunch of time into it by that point. So yeah, just wanted to run through that really quickly. So what you'll be turning in, I already have a copy of your original map in the Dropbox, so you don't need to turn that in. You'll just be turning in your final map. And that will be due Tuesday before, Monday before class, because we're a Monday, Wednesday class. Hold on, I'm talking. So I'll have a Dropbox open for you for that to be submitted. So again, today is just a work on your map day. I'm going to put you into breakout rooms again, just because it's easier for me to answer questions in that format and to like, you know, just check on individuals and make sure I don't overlook anybody. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be with you within like the first 3 or 4 minutes. So any questions that you have, I will discuss there. I'm going to ask to see everybody's map and give you a grade basically for what you did over the last couple of days. Make sure everybody's at least started copying the grid. So I will see you very soon. Ben, I'll come to your breakout room first because I know you have a question. Yes.
So I was thinking my grades last night, and I saw a 0 in for my map choice, and it says I don't have a compass rose, but my map clearly has a compass rose.
Okay, did you turn in a new map since then?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so maybe I just haven't gone through it. I go through late work and stuff like that once a week. There is a there was a cutoff on the map choice, so there was a point where I no longer was looking.
I did that day that you told us that to look, that you resubmitted. I did it that day.
Okay, so that you might have missed the cutoff. I mean, I'll go and look at the date. But yeah, that may be a 0 you can't make up. So I'll take a look for you. All right, I would like to see everybody's progress.
Actually, lights on.
I'm gonna actually like pin one video at a time. Ben, you look like you have yours up, so let me pin yours so I can see. Ooh, Ben, that looks amazing. Super good. Okay, Hunter. Great.
So do we just copy it on like a blank piece of printer paper and cover the boxes?
So
Okay.
are those grids 1 inch or ½ inch?
I did. You said ½ inch, right? Like 1 inch and then ½ inch.
Those on your actual map should be 1 inch, and then you should be copying them onto a ½ inch.
Oh, okay.
So you want to like either ignore or get rid of every other line.
Okay.
Probably erase every other line on there.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then you probably want to work fast because you don't want to be, you know, doing this over the weekend too much.
Awesome.
All right, Robert, let me see what you got.
Here, if you can see it, it's kind of hard to see.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yep, that looks good. Good job.
All right.
All right, so just a reminder, which none of you have done, so you're all in good shape. Don't use colored pencil until you're 100% sure that you're not going to change anything, because colored pencil is like permanent marker.
Yep.
Do we have to use colored pencil?
No, you can do shading instead.
Miss Lonergan.
Yes.
How do we put on the compass rose and the scale and stuff like that? Do we just put that in the map?
You do it the same way that you did the rest of the grid.
Okay.
So just copy it very carefully.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions? All right. I will swoop back in here once I make my rounds. And are you going to struggle to be able to draw on your bed? Are you on your bed? What are
No.
you?
I'm in my bed. I did it all on my bed. It's okay.
Okay. Are you going to be able to draw from there?
Yeah. I have a textbook I'm leaning down on.
All right.
Goes down like this.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? Miss Larry, I have a question.
What's up?
So like my map, like it like goes down like all the way to S and
Are those
14.
1 inch or half inch?
This is half an inch.
Those should be 1 inch.
Oh, so this is the one that's an inch, and then the printer papers that's half an inch. All right.
Yes. So you want to
Okay.
ignore or erase every other line on that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So you haven't started drawing yet, I presume, since you're just figuring that out.
No, well, yeah, I gotta erase everything now.
Okay. Tommy.
So, are there any sorts of colored pencils you would recommend for something like this, just to make sure one doesn't shade over the other, and I can easily write it on in there to have a label and make it legible?
Well, you might want to use a permanent marker over the colored pencil once you're done to make it like the most neat, if you're going for perfection.
All right. I have all the borders drawn out. I just haven't quite started coloring yet.
Okay. Can I see what you have so far?
If this gives a good visual,
That looks
that's
incredible.
about.
That looks great. Wonderful. All right,
I
Cole.
have not done the rivers yet, or the mountains, or the capitals.
Well, those outlines look fantastic. Cole, can I see I got your video pinned right now, so can you hold up your,
I have capitals, one river, then
it's not focusing. Hold on. Just hold it still for a second and let it focus. Okay. Looks good. That looks great. All right, Tate. That looks great. That looks really, really good. Good job. Okay, you guys are all great. Wonderful. All right. Any other questions in here, or I'll come back in a few?
I think we're good.
All right, I'll be back in a little bit.
All right.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going in here?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Have any questions before I check maps?
I did.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead.
So like on my map, there's like a lot of like all the cities and stuff. So do we have to put down like every single one that's on the map?
No. Since we're going miniature, you're gonna have to probably cut some stuff. So make sure that you have at least one of everything you need. So you need mountains, you need capitals, you need rivers, you need a couple
Okay.
of those. So just don't lose points. But no.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, I've got your video pinned right now, so why don't you go ahead and show me your map?
My drawn map?
Yeah, how your progress is coming.
Ms. Lonigan.
That looks
It's
great.
kind of hard to see because it's in pencil, but I have like the outline and lines, and I just think I need to like shade and start putting the like dots down.
Okay, good. All right, Ethan, what's up?
Is this a key?
That is just kind of like your yeah, it is because it's the borders.
Yeah, because of that.
Yeah.
So I could put that down as my key.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you can add to your key if you end up needing it.
All right. I don't think I may, but
Okay.
and then that's mine.
Oh,
Gorgeous.
Miss Lonigan.
Really, really good. Yes.
Brian told me to tell you that his internet is down.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, Austin, how's it going with you? Okay, looks good. Make sure do you have your cross grids? Or just the,
I need to get. Can you hear me?
yes.
I'm working on. I haven't gotten there yet. I've only started the map. I need to get the cross grids though.
So I think you should stop and do the cross grids because I think your map is getting a little skewed without them.
All right.
So see how your Italy is looking a little fat?
Yeah.
So if you have the cross grids, it'll stop you from doing that. So put in your cross grids first, and then you might want to make some changes before you go any further because you don't want your map to start looking wrong.
All right.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any other questions in here, or I'll circle back in a few minutes?
Nope, I think I'm good.
Okay, see you in a few. Hello. Can I assist anyone in any way?
Miss Lonergan, I have a question.
Yeah.
Do I have to like label all the continents too?
My gut answer is yes. Is there a reason why you think no?
Nope, I was just wondering.
Okay. Well, if you have a reason why no, I'm willing to discuss, but I think yes, unless you think no.
Okay.
Okay.
And do I have to put it in the exact same spot as the other map, or can I just put it as I please?
The continents?
No, the names for them.
Oh, no, you can move those around a little bit.
Okay.
The continents should probably stay where they are on the Earth. Anybody else? Am I saying continents right? It sounds wrong. Continents. Continents. I don't know. It's like when you say a word too many times. What are you saying anymore? Anyone else? Questions? Parker, are you alive?
Yeah.
Glad to hear it. Okay. See y'all in a few. Hello. Wow. Just Tommy. Hello, Tommy only, and just Tommy. Okay, Jeb. Also Jeb. Oh, and Cole. Oh, hello. What a delight.
So I don't have a pencil sharpener in my house. I found colored pencils, but I have no pencil sharpener here.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna be able to start doing that until I get a pencil sharpener because all of them are broken because they fell out of my locker.
Okay.
So I think I have everything written down. I just need to color it now, but I can't start that until I get a sharpener.
Well, I guess that's a good / bad place to be. You can always just shade it instead of colored pencils.
It'd look whack because I need to do the rivers and stuff because it's really small.
Okay.
Like you wouldn't be able to tell if it was a river or not.
Got it. Anybody else? Questions, thoughts, feelings? All right, I think someone just got
I'm just behind, but I'll catch up.
trying to get back in, so I'm gonna go try and let them in. All right, yeah, Jeb, I believe in you. I feel sorry for you because I know it's annoying, but I think you're gonna be fine.
Yeah, all right, thank you.
All right, see you guys in a few. Hey guys. Or only Ethan and no one else?
I am here.
Oh, hello. Who'da thunk? Everything going okay in here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, I'm having a technical difficulty. I'm gonna be right back. I'm trying to add Isaiah Walker to your room, but he's not in here, and that confuses me. Hey, do you see the invite to go to the breakout room?
Yeah, I think I do. No, I don't actually. Oh wait, I got it. What are y'all doing?
I followed you here. So they're just working on their maps. And
Okay.
do you have any questions about your map? I know you worked a long time on it.
All right. There are like some parts of my map that I just really can't make that small because they're just so big naturally.
Gotcha.
I can't make Africa like small because my map is huge. So man, well I can, but I feel like it just throws everything off.
You should be able to. So are you going box by box?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then like I can try and do Asia, but Asia's like one of those weird places because it's just it keeps you getting like cut off by like oceans and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's my problem is.
I think you yeah, I know you were getting frustrated, so I think you might just need to like take a break from it and come back to it when you're not feeling frustrated about it anymore.
What did it do?
Monday before class.
Okay.
And you've gotten pretty far because you're pretty much almost done with your outline, right? You just need to go back and like fix what doesn't look quite right.
Yeah.
So yeah, everybody's just working on it in here. So if you want to take it out and kind of start trying to fix the things that don't look quite right, that would be maybe a good use of time.
Okay.
All right. I will come back in a few.
Bye.
Hello. Last individual questions. Probably next time I see you, I'll have called us back to the class together.
What does it do again?
Monday before class, there will be a Dropbox. You know how to make sure you take a really solid photo of it so that I can really give you a nice grade for it.
Also, for this right here, it says like Britannia or whatever, right where Britain is. Do I have to write that?
Yes. If you can't like fit it on your little map, then you could always put it in your key. You could color it a certain color and then.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Any other questions?
No.
Okay. Robert, Ben, and Hunter, all good? I don't even know if Ben can hear us. Oh, he can. All right. Okay, I'll see you in a few. Hey, guys. Questions? No?
No questions.
Questions? All right, next time I see you, I'm going to call us all back to the main room. Yes, Tommy?
So, do I have to make the oceans and seas blue, or can I make that any color I want?
Artist choice.
All right. Also,
Yes.
for the map, would I be allowed to do the labels for the oceans and territories off the grid? I feel like that would be easier.
No, it needs to be on your actual map.
All right.
All right, I'll see you guys in a few when I call everybody back together. Hey, guys.
Sarah.
Yeah, do y'all not have that?
We do, but when you say cotton candy, it's only I'm thinking like blue and like pink and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's pink. It comes out pink.
That's really a strawberry frappuccino then.
No, it's raspberry.
How are we talking about Starbucks again? All right. Back to the map. Any questions about the map at this time?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Does mine look good?
Has Austin been back, or is he just 100%?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm
Austin,
here.
any questions? Yes, Ethan, that looks amazing.
Ethan's look so good.
How's your grid looking?
So I don't have it fully extended. I redid what I was doing, but I have it marked in these sections right now.
Okay, yeah, that's coming better. That's coming back together. That's good. Okay, in like 2 minutes, I'll call you back to the main room, remind everybody how I want it turned in, and, set you free for lunch. So I'll see you in a couple minutes.
I'm gonna grab some water real quick.
So, click your participants button for me so that you get a yes or no button. And would you please hit yes if you feel that you have more than an hour? Think about how long an hour really is. If you feel like you have more than an hour's worth of work left to do on this map, hit yes. Hour. So I'm going to mute you guys and say that again because I'm lagging and maybe that'll help. So if you think you have more than an hour's worth of work left on this map, hit the yes button for participants.
What should I hit it if I feel like it'll be right around the hour mark, like maybe 59 minutes or something?
Hit yes then, Tommy. Thank you for that question. All right. All right, so most people think they have an hour or more worth of work. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and y'all were working wonderfully today, like angels of God, my guardian dear. So let's go ahead and work on this on Monday too. And we'll push the due date back. So that you can continue asking questions as you work and you don't find yourself with a bunch of questions and nobody to ask them to. Okay, so put in another 30 minutes of work between now and next class at least. Try and get some headway, and then bring it to class on Monday, and we will finish it together hopefully on Monday. And then you can Dropbox it, and then Wednesday we'll finish up the year, and that'll be it. Okay? Plan in action. All right, I'll see you then. So your homework is to put about 30 minutes of work into this. All right, see you on Monday.